I bought and tested these hybrid bikes so you don't have to waste your money. Whether you're commuting to work, cruising through the park, or tackling rugged trails, I've put these bikes through their paces. Let me share my honest experience with you so you can find the perfect ride without all the guesswork. Product number 1, AVA-STA Earth 26 Mountain Bike. Let's dive into the AVA-STA Earth 26 mountain bike. I was drawn to this bike because of its switchable suspension fork, which promised adjustable ride comfort. I took it out on a local trail that I knew would put it to the test. Immediately, I noticed the lightweight aluminum alloy frame. It felt agile yet sturdy as I navigated rocky paths and bumpy terrain. The 21-speed derailleur system was a game changer. I could zip through gears effortlessly, making it easy to climb steep inclines and speed down declines. The dual-disc brakes gave me confidence in my stops, ensuring safety on tricky descents. After spending a weekend riding it, I appreciated how comfortable the saddle was, even on longer rides. The optional all-terrain tires allowed me to customize my experience based on the trail conditions, which was a plus. Setup was straightforward, with 75% pre-assembly, and the installation video they provided made it even simpler. Pros of the AVA-STA Earth include its lightweight design, strong braking system, and versatility with tire options. However, the bike could be improved with enhanced instructions for assembly, as some minor adjustments were still needed. Its combination of features makes it a solid choice for both beginners and seasoned riders alike. Product number 2, AVA-STA AV326 Mountain Bike. Next up is the AVA-STA AV326 Mountain Bike, another solid contender in the mountain bike category. I decided to take this bike for a spin around my neighborhood and nearby trails. The premium suspension fork caught my attention right away, providing a noticeably smoother ride over potholes and uneven surfaces. The 21-speed system performed exceptionally well. Shifting was seamless, and I appreciated the precision it offered while navigating through various terrains. The dual-disc brakes were impeccable, giving me peace of mind even when riding downhill at speed. I also found the available tire options to be a nice touch. Versatility is key for anyone looking to tackle different types of rides. One of the standout features was how easy it was to assemble, thanks to the 75% pre-assembly. I had it ready in no time, which is a win for anyone who isn't particularly handy. However, I did notice that the bike's weight might be on the higher side for some users, which could affect handling for less experienced riders. In summary, the AVA-STA AV300 is a reliable choice for anyone looking to enjoy mountain biking without the frustration of complicated setups and gear changes. Its performance on rugged trails and ease of use make it a worthy investment. Product number 3, AVA-STA Jupiter 700C Hybrid Bike. Moving on to the AVA-STA Jupiter 700C Hybrid Bike, which I was eager to test for its versatility. This bike is designed for both urban commuting and light trail riding, making it an appealing option for those who want to do a bit of everything. The aluminum alloy frame was impressively lightweight, which made a noticeable difference in my overall riding experience. I took it out for a longer ride, and the 21-speed Shimano EF500 shifting system allowed me to tackle everything from flat city streets to gradual hills with ease. Adjusting the handlebars and saddle was a breeze, allowing me to find my perfect riding position quickly. This is crucial for long rides, as comfort can make or break your experience. The multiple mounting points were a fantastic feature. I easily added a water bottle holder and a rear rack, which made my ride more practical. The elegant pearl paint finish not only looks great but also protects against minor scratches, keeping the bike looking fresh. The only downside I encountered was the need for more advanced gear options for those who might seek a more competitive edge. However, for casual riders or commuters, this bike checks all the boxes. In conclusion, the AVA-STA Jupiter 700C offers an excellent blend of comfort, functionality, and style, making it a great choice for anyone looking to enhance their cycling experience. Product number 4, AVA-STA Jupiter 700C Hybrid Bike White. Continuing with the AVA-STA Jupiter 700C Hybrid Bike, specifically in white, I found this version to offer the same fantastic features as the previous model. The lightweight aluminum alloy frame made it easy to handle, while the 21-speed Shimano EF500 system made shifting smooth and effortless. The adjustable saddle and handlebars were key for me, allowing for a comfortable fit that reduced strain during longer rides. I was particularly impressed by the bike's versatility. I was able to customize it to my liking with various mounts for accessories. The pearl finish not only adds style, but gives an extra layer of protection against scratches and wear. However, I did notice that the bike could benefit from a few more color options for those who want a more personalized look. Overall, if you're in the market for a hybrid bike that offers both functionality and aesthetics, the AVA-STA Jupiter 700C in white is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for anyone looking to enjoy the freedom of cycling with a bike that's built to last. Product number 5, Kent International Springdale Hybrid Bike. Lastly, we have the Kent International Springdale Hybrid Bicycle, which I was excited to test due to its reputation. The lightweight 6061 heat-treated aluminum frame stood out as I took it for a spin. Weighing in at just 40 pounds, it felt incredibly nimble, making it easy to maneuver through tight spaces in my neighborhood. One of the key features was the front and rear alloy linear pull brakes, which offered solid stopping power. I felt secure knowing I could stop quickly when needed, whether I was on a trail or riding on the street. The quick-release adjustable seat post was another highlight, allowing me to easily adjust the saddle height as I rode, which is a great feature for anyone who may share the bike with others. However, I found that while the bike is built for comfort, it may not be suited for extremely rough terrain due to its design. Still, for casual rides and urban commutes, it excels. In conclusion, the Kent International Springdale Hybrid Bicycle is a reliable option for anyone looking for a lightweight and comfortable ride. It beautifully marries performance and practicality, making it a solid choice in the hybrid bicycle market. In conclusion, each of these hybrid bikes brings something unique to the table, whether it's the versatility of the AVA-STA Jupiter series or the rugged reliability of the AVA-STA Earth and Kent International models. Depending on your riding style and needs, there's a perfect fit for everyone. Don't hesitate to invest in a bike that will enhance your cycling experience and get you where you want to go.